Talk with Shivi channel. Today we are presenting 10 lines on National Safety Day in English. Let's start the lines. National Safety Day is celebrated on 4th March every year. There is one week campaign is organized from 4th March known as National Safety Week campaign. The Ministry of Labour, Government of India set up the National Safety Council of India on 4th March 1966. National Safety Council of India is known for conducting special training courses, conferences, seminars, workshops and designing the safety training materials in the country. The National Safety Council was decided to observe as National Safety Day in 1972 on the Foundation Day. The aim of this campaign is focusing on the safety measures that need to be taken to reduce any type of mishaps and accidents. The main object is this day is to spread safety, health and environment movement to various parts of our country. This day is celebrated to motivate employees and others to making the workplace safer. It is also focused on several developmental activities required for self-compliance and SHE management systems. Work environment safety, domestic safety, travel safety, road safety are the main concerns of the National Safety Council of India. So friends, these are 10 lines on National Safety Day. I hope these are helpful for you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.